Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain a few basic concepts in income tax. In this video, we will discuss three important topics: meaning of person under Indian Income Tax Act, meaning of assessee, and types of assessee. So let us begin. In ordinary language, the word person usually means a human being. But under the Income Tax Act, the meaning of the word person is much wider. It includes individual, HUF, company, firm, AOP, BOI, local authority, and artificial judicial person. So in Indian Income Tax Act, not only individual but also different kind of organizations and legal entities are treated as person. Let us see the meaning of the word assessee. An assessee is a person who is liable to pay income tax or any other sum of money under the Income Tax Act, such as interest or penalty. And the assessee also include a person against whom proceeding have been taken for assessment of income, for assessment of loss, or for refund due. So an assessee is not only someone who pay tax, it may also be a person whose income, loss, or refund is being considered under this act. There are four types of assessee: normal, representative, deemed, and assessee in default. Now let us understand each one. A normal assessee is a person who is liable to pay tax on the income earned during a financial year. It also includes person who has to pay interest or penalty, or who is liable to get refund from the government. So an ordinary taxpayer is called a normal assessee. A representative assessee is a person who represents other person for tax purpose. This happens when the actual person liable to tax cannot file the return by themselves. For example, a non-resident, a minor, or a person of unsound mind. In such a case, the agent or the guardian may act on their behalf. Such representatives are called representative assessee. Next is the deemed assessee. These are the person who is treated as assessee by the law, even though the income may belong to someone else. For example, legal heir of a deceased person, executor of the property of a deceased person, guardian of a minor or person of unsound mind, or the agent of a non-resident receiving income in India. Such persons are given the responsibility to pay the tax according to the law. Therefore, they are called deemed assessee. Next one is the assessee in default. They are the person who has failed to fulfill tax obligation under the Income Tax Act. For example, not paying tax to the government or not filing the income tax return on time. Such persons are treated as assessee in default. Today we discussed the meaning of person under the Indian Income Tax Act, the meaning of assessee, and the four types of assessee. They are very important basic concept in Indian Income Tax Act, and understanding these will help us to learn the income tax subject more clearly. Thank you.